Now let's proceed with the subject matter of a contract of sale. The subject matter must be existing, a future thing, or contingent to a resolutory condition. Let's say a person planted crops which have potential existence. The crops are valid objects of sale under empture res parate. Such sale is subject to a suspensive condition that the subject matter will come into existence, and it covers only determinate or specific thing. Now let's say a person bought lotto ticket for 100 pesos for the chance to win 1 million. Here, the object of sale is not the 1 million, but the chance to win. If the ticket does not win, the sale is still valid, under the concept of sale emptus pay. But if the lotto ticket is a fraud, making the chance to win a vain hope, then this makes the sale void. The subject matter must be licit. Let's say John's father is still alive, but he sold his future inheritance to a third person. This sale is void because future inheritance cannot be subject of sale. This does not, however, cover a waiver of hereditary rights, which is in favor of co-heirs and is not equivalent to sale. Now let's say a person mortgaged his house. He can still sell the house because a mortgage is merely an encumbrance that does not affect his principal attribute as owner. The law even considers a stipulation forbidding owner from alienating mortgage immovable as void. The subject matter must be determinate or at least determinable. Where the sold lot is described to adjoin previously paid lot on three sides thereof, it can be determined without need of new contract, even when the exact area of adjoining lot is subject to the result of the survey. And where the coded portion of the kasunduan gave reference to the area, the locality, and the vicinity with reference of old trees, this is also considered determinable. Take note also that an undivided interest in a parcel of land or an undivided share in a mass of fungible good can be subject of a contract of sale, and this may result in co-ownership. Now let's talk about the seller's obligation to transfer title to buyer. The seller need not be the owner of the object at the time of the perfection of the contract of sale. It is at delivery that the law requires the seller to have the ownership of the thing sold. This stems from the principle that nobody can dispose of that which does not belong to him. Nemo dat quod non habet. Now let's go to the illegality of the subject matter. Objects such as narcotics, wild bird, wild mammal, rare wild plants, or explosives, among others, have been declared by special laws as illegal subjects of a contract of sale. Moreover, an alien who purchases land in the name of his Filipino lover has no standing to recover the property or the purchase price paid, since the transaction is void for being a violation of the constitutional prohibition. So that's it for a review on the subject matter of sale. Thanks for listening.